When you learn how to draw a cow face, you can add all their features in a much more detailed way. Those eyes have brow lines on top, and the nose has distinctive nostril shapes. Say, why don't you grab a pencil and we can draw one together? First, though, a quick reminder that I recommend adding center pencil guidelines before you start to draw. The lines are also on all of my tutorials, and they really do help, especially for symmetrical faces like this one. Let's begin by drawing the bottom part of the cow's head. It needs to be about this wide and this low. So starting on one side, let's draw half of a U shape, and then do the other. The rest of the head is going to be this tall and this wide. And after you have a plan, then start at the top and draw across and down. That line does curve out in the middle of the head and then goes back to join up with that U shape. After one side is done, then go back up to the top, draw the other line that curves out and comes back and also connects at the bottom. Now the cow eyes are a little different than usual because they're looking right at us, so let's start with a slant going down like this. After that slant is done, then slowly draw a rounded shape underneath. Let's do the same on the other side, starting with that slanted line. Then draw the round shape underneath, matching the other eye as best you can. Now the large circles of the eyes can get added. They kind of tuck underneath that slanted brow line. After one eye is drawn, then do the same for the other. If you'd like to include those little circles for white spots, now is a good time to do that. Let's add that curve on the face now. It starts up here, swerves to the left in the middle, and then connects to the head shape below. So start at the top, draw a graceful curved line that goes to the left and then to the right. After one side is done, then we need to add a flipped version of the curve on the other side. This time it curves to the right and then back to the left. The cow nose now needs to be added to the bottom of the head. Let's start with the right side of this rectangle, which sits on that bottom edge. After one side is done, then draw the other half on the other side. Then some nostril shapes are added. I think they kind of look like bean shapes, and one is curved to the right and the other one to the left. Okay, let's move on to the ears. The right one is going to go out this far and then come back down here. When you're ready, start at the head, draw the curved line up and over, then swoop down and come back and connect at the head. After one ear is done, we need to do the same on the other side. I think it helps to plan this one too, so it's the same size. So we can draw the line that goes up from the head to the left and swoops down and then comes back to connect. Now those ears also get an edge around the outside, and it's easy to do if you just draw a smaller ear shape inside. After one ear is done, then draw that same kind of shape on the other side. Now just a few lines will give the cow a body. We can first draw a line like this across the top. And a short one is added under the chin too. Now we can also start some of those blobby lines for the cow spots. I'm drawing a small one near the bottom and a larger one that goes up and to the left. I'm trying to stay away from that ear so we can have some white space around it. Now for a quick background, I'm going to add a line of bushes to the right of the head and then maybe a hill line above it for some extra green. Okay, that's it for our cow drawing, unless you'd like to add some more details, which you're always welcome to do. But the next step is to trace everything with a black marker. Once that tracing is done, it's always a good idea to erase any pencil lines that are still showing. That black marker is also the perfect tool to fill in those eyes and nostrils to make them extra black. Okay, now it's crayon time, and the sides of the cow head and the spots need to be black. The inside ears and the nose are pink. The background trees, a kind of medium green. The grass above and below, a lighter green. And the sky, a medium blue. Fill it all in so there are no white spots showing. It will really make your drawing much brighter when you do. And that, my friends, is how you can draw a cow face. I love that it really does look like one, but it didn't take hours to do. I hope you agree. At Art Projects for Kids, you'll find many more drawing lessons just like this one, including how to draw an entire cow, a horse, and a rooster. If you enjoyed this tutorial lesson, I think you'll like them too.